Today I'm going to be showing you how to properly clean your pepper and your pepper hood using microfiber rags with KVQ disinfectant and your wet tags also with KVQ disinfectant. When cleaning with your microfiber rag, you want to make sure your rag isn't as saturated. You're going to use a full fold method, folding your rag in a four so you can have 8 sides all over. When cleaning your pepper hood, you're going to clean the inside of the pepper hood first and then clean the outside. Making sure to get all angles inside of your pepper hood and out as well. From using this side, you can use the opposite side to clean the outside of the pepper hood. Keeping your rag folded in your fours. You're going to move your pepper hood from your dirty surface onto your clean surface. Then you're going to open your microfiber and use the opposite 4 sides. And continue to clean your pepper. Also moving from your dirty side to your clean side. Using the opposite side to clean your battery pack. Moving from your dirty side also to your clean side. With your red rag, you're going to then discard your red rag into your linen chute, into your blue bag with your linen.